Greetings from Yue Hwa Chinatown. This is a traditional Chinese medicine hall. Right here in Chinatown area, there are many herbs and tablets and even some of the stuff for different kind of illness, like Ji Gua Shuang, right? It's for the ulcer spray. Then we have other stuff for toothache, for headache, for sore throat, and so much more. Check out the diverse range of oil here, man. Xia San Hu. I bought this before, not bad. It basically is 18虎舌. Look at that, there's some kind of special herb inside, and it's quite frequent. The Wang Fei Hong 跌打膏. Oh. Look at this. 灵芝 Elixir 128. Wow. And there's some kind of oil here. Maybe you can test it. Wow, the Yue Hwa Chinese product is so huge, man. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, look at this. They have their own herb shop here. American ginseng. Hey, it's serious business. And right here, more stuff. 20% off the Korean ginseng slice. So many things are sold here. Like a mini IKEA. Okay, level 2. Some Chinese Cheongsam here. Lots of clothes. Oh, look at the teapot, man. So colorful. Oh my god, they sell the Peranakan cold snake $18.90. Look at all these, man. Let's see what they have also beside the plates. Some nice cushion, like the CNY stuff, and the bolster. Oh, the bolster is nice. I saw many Cheongsams here. The price $399. Very colorful. Cheongsam is traditional costume of China, but Singaporeans also wear it during Chinese New Year. Hey, I saw some Peranakan clothes. I mean the skirt. Yeah, this is a Peranakan one, right? So nice. Wow. 布看起来很软。哦，它是蛮 silky 的，把这个比较厚。So many different kind of styles. Amazing 这个地方。我以为它只是卖中国的 herbs TCM 罢了。And look at this. Oh man, it's a shopper paradise, man. Seriously. Nothing. Wow, it's insane. 哇，这边 is really a dream shop, man. 这不是武侠小说的那种 like 马来西亚 artist 吗 ？Assassin. They already have this though. You can actually, I think rent the costume and then take photos over there. The props are all given. Look at that. The red one, who dares to wear, right? And even for kids they have. Hey, seriously. And all look at the teapots. So nice. So their package, this is a Chinese Hanfu, package. 188 to like 529. But they're closed now. I think you have to come like during office hours. And look at the photos taken, they are so nice, man. Well, there's some paintings here as well. 616 for the dragon. And this is a Guandi, right? So many kind of statues. So this area they sell lots of tea, man. Walao. It's so like nice for gift. Oh, they even have snacks here. Look at it. Cashews, but from China. Yeah, this place is very amazing. You guys should come here, man. And this is a childhood snack. Hop flakes, right? It's quite sweet. I'm just glad it's still, available in Singapore. So this is level 5, man. Many wooden furnitures, the real one, real wood, man. 1,002, man. And there's a piggy 1,200 and 2,005. The Fulu Soul. Singapore Airline girl. And the Japanese dolls. Okay, level 6 is a fooding court which serve Cantonese cuisine. It's right here. Looks very atas, right? On my to level 3, there's even a mobile charging station. And there's a nice sofa for customers to rest. At the high being 1楼 looks very nice. Level 1, let's place the supplement section. So lastly, check out our Tiger Balm products, man. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone and ciao matane.